Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to create a local branch and how you can push that local branch to GitHub using Git Bash. So let's start. So let me show you my GitHub repository. So I have one GitHub repository called as my demo app. Inside the repository, I have one master branch. I have already cloned that master branch inside this folder. Now I want to create a local branch. So right click here, click on show more options, and over here you can see the option open Git Bash here. So click on the option. So it will automatically open Git Bash on the specified folder path. So over here you can see this is my folder path. Now if you want to check the current branch, here you can see the master, but still you can check the current branch using the command git branch, and over here you can see you are on master branch. Now you want to create a new branch from the master branch. So for that purpose, type a command git branch, then type the name of the branch. So in my case, I am just typing 1001 bug fix, press enter, and over here you can see we have successfully created a local branch. Now check out that branch or switch to that branch. So for that purpose, type a command git checkout and then name of the branch. Press enter. Now we have successfully switched or check out the branch. Now we want to push this branch to GitHub. To push this branch to GitHub, you need to type a command git push -u, then origin and name of the branch. So in our case, it is 1001 bug fix, and press enter. And over here you can see we have successfully pushed our local branch to GitHub repository. So to verify that, you can go to your GitHub repository, and here are the lists of the branches, and over here you can see 1001 bug fix. So this is the local branch that we have created, and we have successfully pushed a local branch to GitHub repository. So in this way, we can create a local branch and we can push that local branch to GitHub repository. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.